Imagine a therapy so gentle, yet powerful, it has been used for over 5,000 years. A stone born from the Earth's volcanic heart, used by emperors, healers, and now, by you. This is Jade Stone Therapy, where ancient tradition meets 21st century self-care. It's not just a beauty ritual. It's cellular healing, emotional release, and energetic balance, all in the palm of your hand. Are you ready to feel the Earth's energy move through you? Let's explore how jade can transform your wellness routine from routine to ritual. Section 1. The volcanic origins of jade. Let's begin at the source. Deep within the Earth's crust, jade is not just a pretty gemstone. It's a metamorphic rock forged by the Earth's most powerful forces: heat, pressure, and time. Most jade stones originate from areas rich in volcanic activity, where mineral-rich magma, tectonic movement, and geological pressure converge to create jadeite or nephrite, two variations of jade. Did you know that nephrite jade has been used in Chinese medicine since the Neolithic era? Its natural toughness not only made it ideal for intricate carvings, but also rendered it a reliable conductor of heat, making it especially effective in therapeutic practices like jade stone massage. This volcanic origin isn't just symbolic, it's practical. These stones carry the resonance of Earth's energy, making them ideal tools for grounding and healing in holistic practices. Section 2. The power of far-infrared rays, FER. Now here's something most people don't realize. Jade emits far-infrared rays, FIR, when gently heated. These are invisible waves of energy that can penetrate up to 6 centimeters beneath the skin. FIR is used in medical-grade therapies to improve blood flow, ease pain, and boost cell regeneration. Scientific backing. Studies in the Journal of Photochemistry and Photobiology show that FIR can enhance microcirculation and reduce oxidative stress. FIR therapy is used in physiotherapy clinics to relieve muscle pain, improve metabolism, and accelerate skin repair. So when you're using a heated jade stone, you're not just warming your muscles, you're activating a therapeutic frequency that your body responds to on a cellular level. Pause and place your palm over your heart. Now imagine a warm jade stone gliding across your back. That's not just comfort, it's science. Section 3. How jade stone therapy works. Let's break down how this works in practice. Jade stone therapy uses carved, polished jade tools, like gua sha boards, jade rollers, or flat massage stones, either heated or cooled and applied with gentle, purposeful strokes to the skin. Techniques you'll love. Facial rolling reduces puffiness, boosts circulation, and helps serums penetrate deeper. Gua sha massage releases muscle tension and drains lymphatic fluid. Heated jade body massage melts away tension while FIR penetrates muscles. Chakra placement aligns and grounds your energy during meditation or Reiki sessions. Section 4. The wellness benefits: mind, body, skin. Here's what you actually feel and what's happening beneath the surface. Physical benefits: relieves muscle tension, especially in the jaw, shoulders, and neck. Improves circulation: FIR dilates blood vessels and boosts oxygen delivery. Reduces puffiness and inflammation: cool jade tools are perfect for under-eye swelling. Detoxifies the skin: lymphatic drainage helps remove toxins naturally. Mental and emotional benefits: soothes anxiety. The cooling or warming effect calms the nervous system. Enhances mindfulness. The repetitive motion of rolling or scraping becomes meditative. Restores balance. Energetically connects you to grounding earth energy. Picture a serene spa room. Soft lighting. A warm jade stone gliding over your spine. Or your morning ritual. A jade roller under your eyes. Green tea by your side. And peace in your breath. Section 5. How to use it at home. Here's the good news. You don't need a spa to start. You just need the right tool and 5 to 10 minutes. For cooling therapy, place your jade roller or gua sha tool in the fridge. Use in the morning to reduce puffiness and wake up the skin. For heating therapy, soak your jade stone in warm, not boiling, water for 5 to 10 minutes. Use it on tense muscles, sore joints, or to deepen relaxation during meditation. Pro tips: always apply a facial oil or serum before using jade tools to avoid pulling the skin. Clean your tools with soap and warm water after each use. Set an intention. Jade therapy is both a skincare and an energetic ritual. But is it just a trend? Here's the answer. No. It's one of the oldest healing tools in human history, backed by both tradition and science. Unlike synthetic gadgets, jade is natural, non-invasive, and energetically charged that you're not just massaging your skin. You're connecting with a lineage of holistic wisdom. Section 6. Jade plus you equals ritual. Self-care isn't selfish. It's how we recharge, restore, and reconnect. Jade Stone Therapy turns skincare into soul care and stress relief into sacred ritual. Whether you're an overworked professional, a wellness enthusiast, or simply someone seeking stillness in a chaotic world, jade is your ally. So the next time you hold a jade stone, remember, you're holding millions of years of Earth's wisdom. Try it for 7 days. Use a jade roller each morning or a warm stone at night. Notice the shift, not just in your skin, but in your spirit. You don't need more effort. You need more energy. And jade gives it to you, gently.